You told her, how about to the cinema with a grin? Don't even know. Maybe at the next meeting. She said no, and that next meeting won't be anymore. The star named sun shines bright like mama, but soon the moon approaches with all its shiny stars. But a cold wind won't let us chill. Now it's night, but it too wants still to spend time. But it's time to live, it's time to live. Who knows what's gonna happen? It will be too late. The last paradise stays lost forever. Sit down near the sun, it will warm me with some grace. If you can feel love from her in place, dreams of the old, play a song. Don't try to jump over the balcony. Look at the bright stars through someone's window. Well, be careful, don't get used to long after. She's worried, she's falling away from memory. She's falling away from memory. Now it's night, but it too wants still to spend time. But it's time to live, it's time to live. Who knows what's gonna happen? It will be too late. The last paradise stays lost forever. The park is quiet. You can return the past night. The clock ticks on. The tea is getting cold. Roses from a jar by the window are slowly fading away. Now it's night, but it too wants still to spend time. But it's time to live, it's time to live. Who knows what's gonna happen? It will be too late. The last paradise stays lost forever. Now it's night, but it too wants still to spend time. But it's time to live, it's time to live. Who knows what's gonna happen?